Brand Dell. Connector type MagSafe. Compatible devices laptops. Input voltage 19.5 volts. Wattage 65 watts. Output voltage 19.5 volts. Power source corded electric. Current rating 3.34 amps. Frequency range 60 Hz. Main power connector type 2-pin. Top reviews from the United States. Allows me to move my laptop. I have 2 locations in my house where I work from home. This allows me to have a power supply in both places. Fits my Dell Latitude E5440 with round plug. Lightweight and works well. I use this charger for my child's school laptop. It's light and compact if we need to take it with us, and tops up the battery as a reasonable amount of time. Perfect universal charger. I use it for my work laptop, and when my girlfriend forgets her charger at work and she's working from home, we just switch out the plug-in and it works great for her. Replacement for work computer. I purchased this item to replace the cord for my work laptop. Somehow the end of the charger had frayed, and the wires were exposed. I didn't want to ask for a replacement since I had somehow damaged the charger, so I found this product, and it works great.